Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see how we can create database with MySQL Workbench. Now there are two ways to create database, one with directly Workbench and second, with SQL queries. We will see both of them. So when you will open your Workbench, you can see there are some database are already present. These databases are given by MySQL. But now we want to create our own databases. For that you can see there is icon to create more database. This is also known as schemas. Now let's try to create new database. So click on icon. Here, you have to give your database name. Suppose for now I am giving XYZ. Now MySQL will try to show you that it will run this code internally to create database. Click on apply, and then finish. You can see, our XYZ database is created. If you will open this, you will see some options like tables and views. Now suppose you want to use this database, you have to simple write use and your database name. To execute, click on this icon. You can see, query is executed successfully. But wait, what if you want to see table, so just write show tables. After execution, you will see for now, table is empty. Let's see how to use SQL commands here to create and drop the databases. To create, just write create database, and your database name. For example, task 1, again execute it. Now after that, refresh your database list, you will see the task 1 is present now. Now to access task 1 database, write use task 1. And execute this. Now suppose you want to know, how many database we have in our MySQL. So for that, we have simple command, show databases. You can see these are our total databases. So now, let's drop both the databases we create, so for that write drop database and database name. So I want to drop task 1. And execute this. You can see, it is deleted. This is all about this video. Please subscribe for more video.